In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions to your Brave browser. Whether you're enhancing productivity, security, or just personalizing your browsing experience, extensions are powerful tools that can significantly upgrade your internet usage. Let's dive into how you can easily add these to Brave. First, go ahead and launch your Brave browser. You can do this from your desktop on either your PC or Mac. If you don't have Brave already open, just look for that distinctive lion head icon and give it a click. Once you've got it open, the next step is to navigate to the Extensions option within the browser settings. Head to the top right corner of your Brave browser window, where you'll notice a menu icon that looks like three stacked lines, often known as the hamburger menu. Give that a click. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. Keep an eye out for the option labeled Extensions and select it. This will redirect you to the page where you can manage all of your current extensions. Next, scroll down until you find the Visit Chrome Web Store option and click on it. Now, you might be wondering why we're going to the Chrome Web Store in Brave. Well, that's because Brave is based on Chromium, which means it can support all Chrome extensions just as a Chrome browser would. This is a nifty feature because it opens up a world of possibilities for your browsing experience with thousands of extensions available. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, it's time to find the extension you're interested in adding. Let's assume you're on the lookout for Grammarly, which is a popular choice for those wanting spelling and grammar checks on the fly. Simply type Grammarly into the search bar at the top and hit Enter. After locating the desired extension, click on its name to open its page within the store. Now, let's add it to Brave. On the Extensions page, Bastante, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Since we're using Brave, it works the same way. Go ahead and click that. You'll then be prompted by a pop-up window asking you to confirm your decision to add the extension. Click Add Extension on that pop-up, and the installation will begin. Finally, let's discuss how you can manage and pin the extension for easier access. Look to the top right corner of your browser, where there's a puzzle piece icon. This is your Extensions button. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the extensions you've added. If you want to keep any particular extension visible on your toolbar for quick access, locate it on the list and click the pin icon next to it. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to enhance your Brave browsing experience with extensions. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.